Follow the steps on how to create a luxury topographic maps background like this using Photoshop and Illustrator. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. Make sure the default color is set like this. Convert the layer to a smart object. Then go to Filter, Render, and Clouds. Go back to Filter and add Gaussian Blur. Go to Image, Adjustment, and Posterize. Adjust the levels. Go back to Filter, Stylize, and find edges. Add levels to emphasize the color. Go to File and export as PNG. Now open Illustrator and create a new document with the same canvas size. Insert the image you have saved. Open Image Trace. Select the image and set it like this. Click Trace and expand. While I change the stroke color to a bright color. Create a rectangle and fill it with black. Right-click, Arrange, and send to back. Lock the layer. Recolor the stroke to be darker. Double-click and change some strokes to white. Unlock the rectangle layer and duplicate it. Move it up. Change the mode to multiply. Open Library and open Gradient Metal. Here I choose bronze color. You can change the angle if needed. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.